quickly, and I did a wash with the Alikay Naturals black soap, amazing black soap. They also have the liquid version for this, and it's a clarifier. So I wanted to clean my hair, so I did a quick wash out of that with that product. I did a quick wash out with that product, and now I'm going to divide my hair into sections so that I can get them layered in. So you have several options when it comes to using the L.O.C method on your hair. For the liquid, you can use the lemongrass leave-in conditioner or the Wake Me Up Curl Refresher. For the oil, you can use the Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil or the glazed argan oil silkener. And then you also have pomegranate passion hair elixir. Of course, all these oils are a little different. The one in the middle, the glazed argan oil silkener, is a little bit thicker, so it'd be great for 4C hair. And then we have finally the creams. You can use the Shea Yogurt hair moisturizer or even the botanical hair and scalp balm. So you have some options. I love it very much. I'm gonna use a lot of this product in my hair because it does a wonderful job of coating the hair and giving it all the juices. There is sweet almond oil, wheat germ oil. It's amazing. Aloe vera, vegetable glycerin, everything. So I just want to pack this onto my hair. Right, soak it through from as close as possible, but not on the roots because I want to keep my roots clean so that they could function optimally. Just put this through. Really good, really good. And you can see why I like to do my things in twists. Everything is distributed a lot easier. It's not for everybody, and you don't have to use twists. It kind of reminds me of locks. It's just that I don't want to lock my hair. Okay, push that through. So we have our L. We use the Wake Me Up leave-in, the Wake Me Up Curl Refresher. Okay. Next we have O. I'm going to be using the pomegranate passion hair elixir. It has like little leaves at the bottom, and it smells pretty good. So I'm going to be using this. More to the ends than anything else. Okay, just working this thing into my hair. Now when I'm done, I can, and easily, because my hair is like, I can feel it thoroughly soaked, I can easily go under the hair dryer and just dry it in so that the heat will open up my cuticles and this stuff will go in. I'll see what I'll do because I really want to replait. Every week there is like either loosening or growth, so just want to replait that. I might end up just replaiting the front for now based on time. So we have our oil in. Work that. Work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. Shea Yogurt moisturizer. And voila, she is moisturized. we do it again. Okay, so my hair is fully hydrated. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly go onto the dryer so we could really, hold on to some of this moisture so my cuticles could open up and just drink. Let's go. So I dried my hair with the hooded dryer, and it has sucked up all the goodies, the liquid, the cream, and the oil. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna replait my hair, and it's going to be the only main manipulation that I do for this week, and then I'll let it just be itself. So I'll show you the end results when I'm done.